Hello, today we are going to see a demo of the warning targets view in Windows Patch Analysis job run results in TSSA. As we know that there are patches on Windows servers which require a mandatory reboot for a successful installation. Now, if any of such patches are installed on a Windows server and the server is not rebooted after patch installation, then a Windows Patch Analysis job in TSSA reports those patches as missing, and a subsequent patch deploy job would fail while trying to install an already installed patch. In order to avoid that, we have introduced a couple of features in TSSA 21.02 where we have introduced a new view in Windows Patch Analysis job results to list the targets where the patch analysis job run was completed with some observation. For example, a target for which a reboot is pending. Another addition is an option in TSSA Windows patching job which allows user to reboot targets with a pending reboot before actually running a patch analysis job. So let us now log into the console and see how the view looks like. So I have now logged into the console. As we can see that there is this job here which is completed with warnings. If I expand the analysis run here, we see that there are these two targets which have completed with warning. So if I go to run, right click and do a show log and expand the results here, I can see that these two targets have a warning that a reboot is pending here. You can see that a reboot is pending here as well. So I'll close it. Now if I go to the job in the options, in analysis options, this is the option where which I was talking about, where reboot before analysis if a reboot is pending on the server. So if you check this, then for these two targets for which a reboot is pending, the job is going to reboot these servers before actually running a patch analysis job. Thank you for watching the video. Please visit BMC Truesight automation channel on YouTube to watch other related TSSA videos and hit the subscribe button to never miss an update.